Hello guys, this is my drone. In this video I'm testing a real world scenario that every drone pilot should understand. What happens when your drone suddenly lose connection with controller? My goal is to show you exactly how aircraft react, how the fail system works and what you should do if it's happening. I know losing signal can be stressful, but when you know how your drone react, you can stay calm and make right decision. So let's go to field, take a flight and check our disconnection. Now we are on the field and we're ready to take off. Take off and good luck. Okay, I'm going to fly away around 45-50 meters and altitude around 25-30 meters. Now you can see on the screen my distance and my altitude, and here sound I disconnect my controller. God bless me. Coming back. Prepare for landing. And landing. Okay guys, you lost signal. Your heart is beating, but drone did its job properly and came home. Trust technology. Check your setting before flight, especially return home, and fly with confidence. Thank you for watching and good luck for your flight.